Check out this magnificent rocky beach on the island of Utö. This is Rävstaviken and a natural rocky beach on this big island in the Stockholm archipelago. Yes, I'm on Utö finally after 10.5 years in Stockholm, and I have been exploring the island now for 2 hours, and I have 1 hour left until I take the boat back to mainland, as I think that rain is on its way. And even though there are boats later today, I will be taking that boat early so that I can uh, dismiss the rain that is coming. Look at the clouds. So yeah, so earlier, like a few minutes ago, it was raining, and then when I was walking down those rocks, I actually slipped and fell, and I will have some bruises on my hands and one of my elbows. But yeah, and I was actually having shoes, like running shoes. I wasn't barefoot, which was also interesting. But yeah, this place is just about 1 kilometer away from the first boat stop here on Utö, Gruvbryggan. There are 3 boat stops here at Gruvbryggan, and there are quite frequent boat rides from Årsta Brygga. Now during the low season, maybe 4 to 5, but during the summer season, there may be more. And there are people on this island that live throughout the whole year. And when I was passing by here on the road, I saw like wonderful, like cozy houses along the way, but also I saw the place where lithium was discovered in 1817. Yes, there is like a mine and like a small pond slash lake where the mineral lithium was discovered right on this island, and I was so happy that I have found out that now, because I wasn't aware of it. So yeah, there are lots of minerals in Sweden for sure, not just lithium, but it was very satisfying to learn that. And now the clouds are coming this way, so it looks like we're gonna have rain on this beach adventure. And I have now 45 minutes until the boat. It's only 10 minutes walk, 15 I would say, because it's ups and downs. And yeah, it's quite an amazing place. It's quite different from the other side of the island where I was earlier, on a beautiful small sandy beach that was called Barnens Badplats, and it was a bit more sunny then. I don't need to actually the sunglasses, as now it's so dark. I was waiting a bit in case there will be some more sun, but that won't be the case. So we're gonna have a rainy, rocky beach adventure with Kris on Utö. And it's a 3rd day in a row that I'm visiting beaches on islands in the Stockholm archipelago, and it feels fantastic. What's so good about low season on the Stockholm archipelago, in the Stockholm archipelago, is that there are no people. Maybe some hikers with winter clothes on, but it is only me with speedos on the beach. And I think it's lovely. I think it's amazing. Now I need to be very careful, as I already slipped once and will be having some bruises here, you see. But yeah, that's what we do on beach adventures. We get bruises. Now here it's quite easy entry, I would say, if there were no waves here to get in the way, which is nice. And quite huge, and it's all around. It's like a big bay, and here you can find definitely your own spot, even in the high season, for sure. The water is clean, and it was 17 degrees Celsius in the sea. On the other end, I think it's the same over here. I will be very surprised if it is not the same temperature. So yeah, let's then enjoy a swim in the sea at Rävstaviken on the island of Utö, another island explored today. So I'm ready, set, and go! amazing. On the other side, I saw many jellyfish, which are not harmful at all here at the Baltic Sea. It was very interesting, but here with the waves, I don't see any right now. And rain is on its way, maybe thunder. So it feels like I need to go very early on beach adventures, because there is usually always sun in the morning, and then the afternoon is super cloudy like this. So it was a nice swim here, I'm not gonna lie. So that is a wrap from Rävstaviken on the island of Uto, this beautiful natural rocky beach. I will be swimming now for 10 minutes as I have a bit more time until the ferry, but to you I'm gonna say bye bye and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.